how to add Google Maps to your Google sites. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to integrate or pinpoint particular locations from your Google Maps onto your Google sites, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just simply search in for Google sites and make sure you're currently logged into your account from any web browser. And as you can see, I've already created a project as well as logged in with my account, but I haven't published it. And once inside here, now to add or integrate Maps, Google Maps onto your Google sites, just head over to this right section and make sure you're currently clicked on this insert tab and simply scroll down until you see the option that is map. So you can just tap on that, and once you tap on that, you can actually search in for the particular locations from which you want to pinpoint or add it over here. So let's say I want to add a London Gatwick Airport over here, so which is the location over here. So now I'll simply zoom onto it so that I can verify it and simply click on select button over here, and just like that my map will be automatically added with that particular location I selected onto my Google sites. So now I can pretty much adjust it or put it wherever I want and edit it accordingly, even resize the size of it to of my choice, just like this. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.